All right, folks, we're here in Independence, straightening the walls. Just simple hydraulics, simple physics here. We've raised the floor joists off the top of the foundation wall. Now we are using the 30-ton bottle jacks, pushing off the 6x6s on the angle iron to straighten the wall back to vertical. So I don't know if it's coming across in the video. You can hear the creaking and the groaning of the walls. It's perfectly normal. So we'll put the level on, see where we're at. So we are, yep, trying to focus here. We are level. It is amazing the small amount of minutes it takes to straighten a wall back to vertical when you compare it to the days of initial excavation you have to do on the outside. But yeah, I mean, there's really no better foolproof way to straighten a wall back to vertical than with the Piers methodology. I mean, it's just so simple. It makes so much sense, and you can see the results right here. Yeah, we have to do a little bit extra, but in the end, we make sure that not only is the wall straightened to vertical, but with the wall braces installed, we keep it vertical. We don't do like a lot of other foundation repair companies where you're going to need to call us out, you know, 10 years later because the wall started leaning again. We don't just straighten it and leave it. We brace it. And we don't just use simple I-beams, we use the H-beams because we don't want to have to come back to these jobs. We take pride in getting everything done correctly the first time. So, yeah, we may have, we're looking good right here. We may need to do just a little bit more tweaking. But for the most part, everything is back where it needs to be. You can really see the separation right here, straightening this wall back. So, yeah, everything is good, so we will keep the interior setup in place while we start getting the braces set. So we'll have some more updates here throughout the week. You can, again, find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for Piers LLC. Again, please leave a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.